Hi everyone, just doing another quick unboxing video. I got this one from, of course you can't read it, GameStop. And I'm sure some of you know if you sign up for their game rewards thing, it's once a year, it's like 15 bucks. You get 10% off, and then every time you buy something you get points. Anyways, with these points, I got this inside. Just in your standard bubble wrap envelope. Big in size. First I was a little hesitant to buy this because it's a junior's and I am not a junior, but I figured I could just use it as like a purse. Oh yeah, it's super tiny. Super tiny. But it's super cute. Ta-da! Wow, it's super tiny. Look at it, it's all rainbowy. It was worth it though. Sorry. So there she is. And it's, the black is like raised. It's not like a, I mean it's paint, but I can't describe it. It's a feeling I felt before. Doing everything with one hand is not fun. But just a normal bag inside that you can't even see. But free is free, so I thank you for watching. Later. Hi everyone, doing another unboxing video. Got this off eBay from my favorite country. And when you see what's inside, it's one of my favorite things from the 80s. Sorry, I'm holding you, so it's gonna be really wobbly. I haven't opened it fully. I just at the top just to easier access. And hopefully the bags that are inside, they'll have that plastic and it'll be easy to rip. There's free shipping, which is a bonus, and it came fairly quick by airmail. I would say week tops. Let's see, the 26th, and today, oh wow, even quicker. No, the 24th. I believe it shipped. And today is the 31st, so very quick. It's the Care Bears. Ooh, I like the flower pattern. Let's start with the first bag here. It's just a reusable bag for groceries and whatnot. It even shows you how to fold it into a small packet. Yeah. And when I saw it was Cheer Bear, I had to buy it, of course. Oh, it's super cute. I'll take a photo and add it to my Flickr site. It's perfect size. It's tiny enough. It's probably for like a little kid, obviously.
I do not know the metric system, but it says it is, let's see, across is 26 centimeters, 24 at the bottom centimeters, and the two different lengths are 30 and then 14.5. So, yep. So that's package 1, and this is package 2. Now I wonder, this is probably her wrapping, yeah. A cute little flowery bag. Oh, these are super cute. OMG. Funshine Bear. It's got this like, it's not velvet, it's the wrong word, but it's the soft nylon. It's not nylon. Oh, I'll write it in the description below. But it's just like a little makeup bag, or you know, for pencils and whatnot. I'm using my teeth. That's one. Number 1 says care. In the little circles, there's looks like Harmony Bear, and then Cheer Bear, and Love a Lot, and then another little bag. Sounds like uber small. I'm just shake it open. But this would be good just to put your art supplies in or anything. Or take your lunch in it. Super cute. Same characters. So I'm going to leave good feedback and post some pictures, and probably tomorrow or the next day I'll post this video. So thanks for watching. Later.